Hi everyone, I just want to answer a question a lot of people have been asking. Is the market going to crash? How is our portfolio doing? And I want to share with you how our community are doing and how we are able to get out of majority of our position even before the market crash. So let's take a look at the chart first. First, we have the Nasdaq 100. Let me show you how the system works with green arrows. Green arrow will be our buy signals. Okay, and red candle will be our sell signal. So you can see recently we had a buy signal over here very shortly after we had a sell signal over here, which represent about a 4 or 5% loss. Okay, and we managed to exit the position before the market crash another 10%. Okay, so you can see from the Nasdaq chart, majority of the time we are able to capture majority of the trend. Whether it's green arrow to buy, red candle to sell, we are able to capture majority of the trend. However, in the last part of this uptrend, okay, we are able to make 40%, 14%, 3%, 16%. But at the last part of this trend, here is about 3%. In the last part of this trend, we cut loss, but on hindsight, it dropped about 10%. Okay, so you can see from the Nasdaq, the market has already corrected and give us a very clear sell signal. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the stocks that we have over here. Say we look at Coinbase. Okay, Coinbase is crypto related. We can also see from Coinbase over here, we actually got out of the position somewhere in November. There was a sell signal. There was a buy signal over here. But shortly after there was a sell signal, okay, we managed to capture some profit over here, about 17%. But from the sell signal over here all the way to the current price, it dropped almost 41%. Okay, 41% is quite a huge drop. So with this system, the majority of people are able to get out of this position. Okay, let's take a look at another one. Let's say SE, another of a lot of people's favorite stock. So you can see again, SE. We managed to also exit the position somewhere in November again, sell signal. And from the sell signal all the way down to current price, it dropped almost 60%. Okay, 60%. So you can see if we were to just follow the signal blindly, we are able to capture majority of the trend, but not every signal will be profitable. But it's important that when there's a sell signal, we get out of a position. Okay, so next is, let's say, like Etsy. Okay, Etsy also we have a sell signal somewhere in December, and we managed to exit the position before the market dropped almost 40%. Again, if you look at it long term, we are able to capture majority of the trend. Not every signal is profitable, but able to capture good, nice profit along the way. Okay, so it's important to have money management when you are trading a stock. It's important that you know when to get in, when to get out. It's important to have a system to identify strong stocks. Like example, if you ask me right now, what are examples of strong stocks? So we have quite a lot of oil-related stocks right now. They are quite strong. Okay, these are some of the oil-related stocks, up 31%. We have Halliburton, which is up 28%. These are examples of strong stock, oil-related stocks, strong stocks. And then at the same time, we also can identify what are the weak stocks. Example, we have Cloudflare, which is a sell signal. These are weak stocks. So yeah, so we take the necessary action. Okay, when it's a sell signal, we get in. When it's a buy signal, when it's a sell signal, we get out. So if you're interested to find out more, how to find strong stocks or how to find weak stocks, how to have a systematic way of getting in and out of the market, click on the link and we can show you how we can use this system to maneuver the market.